In this here video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to create a frame for each individual letter in the alphabet using Vinyl Master Cut, PowerPoint, and of course, Canva. All right, so here we go. So here I have a blank file in Canva. And basically here I'm going to just type in all the letters of the alphabet in capital letters. I'm going to change this here font to a bold type font. Now I'm going to save it as an SVG file. Over here I'm going to go to File. Instead of doing a save or save as, I will be doing an export. I'm going to save the file in the folder I would like for it to be in. And I will be saving it as an SVG file. Now I'm going to open up this here SVG and PowerPoint. Let's do a File, New, and Blank Presentation. You want to delete these two boxes because you're not going to need them. You want to go to Insert, Picture, and from this device. You want to go to where you have your SVG file created and Insert. So here you have your alphabets. Over here to the left, you want to do a Convert to Shape. And now your letters have been converted to a shape. This here is a paid version of PowerPoint, and I do believe you're going to have the paid version of PowerPoint to be able to do this. So the next step is we want to put an image inside the letters, and in order to do that, we need to do a shape fill. So up here to the right, you want to do a shape fill. You will find this shape fill tab here right where it says shape format. So right where it says shape fill, select shape fill, and you want to select the picture option. We're going to do a stock image because it's not going to matter which image you put, but I'm going to use this one that's already inside of PowerPoint, and press Insert. Now all of your text has been inserted with an image. Now we want to save this so that we can open it up in Canva. And how we're going to save this is we're going to save it as a PDF. Over here to the left, you want to do a File, Save As, This PC. And I'm just going to save it in the folder where I would like for it to be in. At the bottom, you want to make sure that you select PDF because it's all automatically set to PowerPoint. So we want to set it as a PDF and name it. Now let's go ahead and open up Canva. All right, so as you can tell, I have already saved and added some text. Right here, I have the whole, right here, I have the numbers and also some custom text. So now we're going to do our custom letters. And I'm going to go over here where it says upload and upload the letters. Up here to the top, as you can see, you want to select upload files. Scroll down and select the PDF that you saved for your letters. As you know, in the majority of the time you upload images on Canva, your uploaded images would be where it says uploads. However, for this particular PDF file, you will find the uploaded image where it says project. So in order to retrieve your alphabets, you have to click on projects. And here are your alphabets. Click on it. And now you have added them to your screen. Let me zoom in so that you can be able to see this a little better. And here are your individual letters to where you can make your custom frames out of. Now, in order to see your frame, you're going to have to erase each individual letters that's inside the frame. So I'm going to go to start off with letter A. When you see the trash can pop up, click on it. Instead of deleting the frame, you want to delete the image. And as you can tell, you have your custom frame. So now basically I'm going to do this with each individual letter that you see. Unfortunately, with that step, you do have to delete each individual picture inside the letter. However, to add a frame on all of the letters at one time instead of individually, because of course that would take up a lot of time, let's go ahead and select them all. Right here to the top where it says border style, we're going to want to do the straight border. And I am just going to do a number 2 as far as the weight. And of course, if you want to change the weight later, you can do so. But basically, just to see where how each individual letter is traced out. Okay, let's try 1. All right, so let's stick with the 1. All right, so this is how you would make your letters into each individual custom frame.